Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fine. Very good. What are you doing? Playing. What are you playing? Games. Okay. Then, did you do your yesterday's homework? Yes. How did you do? Very nicely. Okay. Then, now what are you going to do? Do you know? Don't know. Then you see the board. What is written here? Fill in the blanks using vowels. Fill in the blanks using vowels. What is the meaning of it? इसका मतलब क्या है? Fill in the blanks using vowels. खालिस्तान भरना है. कैसे भरोगे खालिस्तान? By using vowels. Vowels use करके. Vowels. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Then you have to use these vowels to fill the blanks. Okay. You can use any of the vowels which is suitable for this. Okay. So you will get a bird. Okay. When you use vowel, then you will get a bird. Okay. So you can use any vowel which is suitable for each of these words. Okay. Now first one, R dash D. R dash D. Can you say? Yes, come on. Oh, very good. R-O-D. R-O-D. How to pronounce? Road. R-O-D. Road. Okay. Road means danda. Stick. Okay. Okay. Then R-T. R-T. A. Very good. R-A-T, rat. Okay. Now, H-T. H-T. H-U-T. H-U-T. What is H-U-T? How to pronounce? Hut. Hut means chopadi. Very good. H-U-T. Hut. Then B-N. B-N. Which letter will come there? I. B-I-N. Bin. Very good. B-I-N. Bin. Then F-T. F-T. F. A. Very good. Then what is the word? Fat. F-A-T. Fat. F-A-T. Fat. Then M-T. M-T. A. M-A-T. Mat. Very good. Then P-N. P-E-N. P-E-N. What is? Pen. Very good. B-T. B-T. A. B-A-T. B-A-T what? Bat. Very good. B-A-T. Bat. Then next one. B-N. B-N. B-A-N. Very good. van. Okay. Now next, T dash Y. T dash Y. Which letter will come here? O. Very good. Then what is the word? Toy. Very good. T-O-Y. Toy. Then H dash T. H dash T. Here we wrote the U, no? Hut. Here H dash T. What will come there? A. H-A-T. Hat. Very good. Then B dash G. B dash G. B A. Very good. Then what is the word? Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Very good. Now C dash T. C dash T. A. C-A-T. Cat. Okay. Now N dash T. N dash T. N E. N E T. N E T what? Net. Very good. B dash D. B dash D. Which letter will come there? E. B E D. Bed. Very good. L dash G. L dash G. E. Very good. L-E-G. Leg. Very good. T dash N. T I. Very good. T-I-N. Tin. J dash G. J-U. Very good. J-U-G. What? Jug. Very good. Okay. Now we will read once again. Okay. R-O-D. Road. R-A-T. Rat. X-U-T. Hut. B-I-N. Bin. F-A-T. Fat. M-A-T. Mat. P-E-N. Pen. B-A-T. Bat. V-A-N. Van. T-O-Y. Toy. X-A-T. Hat. B-A-G. Bag. C-A-T. Cat. N-E-T. Net. B-E-D. Bed. L-E-G. Leg. T-I-N. Tin. J-U-G. Jug. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to write in your book very neatly. बहुत अच्छी तरह आपकी 4 लाइन कॉपी में लिखना है. ठीक है. लाइन में मिला के अच्छी हैंडराइटिंग में लिखना है. आपका हैंडराइटिंग अच्छा बनाना है ना, सुंदर बनाना है ना. यस. सो you have to write very neatly. Okay. So again we will meet in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye.